Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here back in DC after an amazing vacation with my family in Maine. I think my life is still a bit in vacation mode because it's the third time I'm recording this video for you. Lots of technical difficulties this morning, but this is a very important video because we're going to be talking about how to achieve a deep and comfortable and effective latch. So we've talked about the importance of this in the past for milk transfer and comfort for the lactating parent, but on today's video, I'm going to give you all my tips and tricks on how to achieve that deep latch, and by the end of the video, you're going to be a pro. My name is Cassie Reyes. I am a registered nurse and a board-certified lactation consultant and co-founder of People's Lactation. Each week I bring you new videos about different topics in lactation, and I'd love to have you join our community. Please subscribe down below and hit the bell so you're notified each week when I post a new video. So for latching your baby, one of the most important things to remember is that a newborn needs a lot of extra support when being brought in for feeding. So I see a lot of parents offering the baby to eat with this kind of positioning, with the baby's head in the nook of the neck. This is called a cradle hold. This hold is really difficult for a newborn to achieve a deep latch. So different positions that I would recommend in the beginning would be for a cross cradle hold, which looks like this, where you're supporting baby across your body and supporting the breast or chest with the hand that's on the same side of your body. Or in a football hold, which is with baby's feet behind you and supporting baby in this position. In another video, I do plan to cover kind of the details on how to set up these positions comfortably, but what we're going to focus on today is going to be on the latching piece of this. When you're supporting baby in towards you, you want to make a C hold with your thumb and pointer finger running from ear to ear at the base of baby's neck, and the heel of your hand should be placed directly between the shoulder blades like this. Babies have a reflex that when you push on the back of their head in any way, whether that's one finger or you pushing like this, they're going to push back against your hand to protect their breathing. So that's why you want to keep your hand nice and low and hug baby in closely from between the shoulder blades. So in cross cradle hold, that would look like this. Hug baby in, support underneath the breast or chest, imagining that your hand is like under wire to your breast. And for a football hold, you would support like a C here, bring baby in from the shoulder blades and up and into the breast or chest while using pillows to support you under here. Remember, when you're bringing baby towards you, the nipples should be aimed at baby's nose like this, and the chin should hit first right at the edge of the areola like this, while nipples pointing up. And when baby opens their mouth nice and wide, you tip the head forward from here, and baby's nose should be touching like that. A lot of parents ask me if they're going to suffocate their baby while bringing them into the breast so closely. The chin should be touching the breast or chest right at the edge of the areola, the bottom edge, and the baby's upper lip should come up and over most of the upper edge of the areola. You still might see a little bit showing, and then the tip of the nose should be touching, pointing the nipple up to nose. Chin should touch first. Baby will open mouth like they're going to bite an apple, and come up and over all that tissue. So what we just discussed, I like to call the 2-point landing. So while you're bringing baby in, chin touches at the bottom edge of the areola, nipple points to the nose. When baby opens big and wide like they're about to bite an apple, you just tip their head forward and they come up and over all that tissue. So remember that your baby's suck reflex is located on the roof of the mouth. So when you are pointing the nipple up to the nose and baby does open nice and wide, you want to aim that nipple towards the roof of the mouth so that baby is stimulated to initiate sucking. When babies are born, they're learning to coordinate suck, swallowing, and breathing. They didn't have to do all these things when they were in utero. So you may notice a pattern that looks something like this. They may do 3 or 4 sucks, take a break to breathe and swallow, 3 or 4 more sucks, take a break to breathe and swallow, and this is normal. They're learning to coordinate these 3 functions. One thing that you might find is that in the first day or 2 that your baby might be sleepy and fall asleep in that little pause. So definitely give them that 3 to 5 seconds to pause first, and then if they fall asleep and don't reinitiate sucking, then go ahead and tickle the feet a little bit or the armpit. Even just squeezing the breast or chest sometimes can stimulate baby to start sucking again. And another reflex that babies have is if you massage the palm of their hand, they will be stimulated to initiate sucking. So try all those things if baby seems to be pretty sleepy in those little pauses. So in summary, you want to support baby with the heel of your hand between the shoulder blades. Make a C at the base of the neck from ear to ear. Support the breast or chest like a U or a C, depending on what position you're holding baby in. Bring baby in and hug baby in closely from between the shoulder blades. Point the nipple to the nose. Allow the chin to hit at the edge of the areola. And wait for baby to open like they're going to bite an apple. And bring baby right up and over that sandwich shape that you're making. And that's it. So try to implement some of those techniques and see if it works for you to get a deep latch. We'll cover in the next video how to know whether or not that you have a deep latch and whether or not baby is transferring milk. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to give the video a like, and please subscribe to the channel if you want to join our community, and hit the bell if you want to be notified each week when we post a new video on various topics in lactation. I'm going to leave on the screen some of our other videos so you can catch up on the other topics that we've covered in lactation. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.